Hello everyone, welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching World of Sensors. We are using Arduino UNO and the sensor port expansion board using Seed Studios Grow sensor kit. Alright guys, so in this lesson we will see a new lesson called infrared transmitter and receiver, right? So there are two different sensors. We will need actually two different Arduino UNO and two different sensor shield so that we can communicate with between the transmitter and the receiver in two different computers. However, for this lesson, for you to understand, since it's very basics and zero to hero series, I will show you individually so that you can start building on your own. Now, what exactly this particular sensor does? So, the infrared emitter or a transmitter, you can call it as an infrared emitter sensor or a transmitter sensor, whatever name you give, is basically used to transmit infrared signals through an infrared LED. Okay. So while there is an infrared receiver to get the signals, to receive the signal on the other side of the environment. So an infrared LED is like any other LED with its color centered around 940 nanometer. So that's the way it's been designed. We can not only just use the emitter to transmit data or commands, but also to emulate remotes to control your home appliance, your home automation system using Arduino or even robotics application. So the infrared emitter can transmit signals which is reliable up to about 10 meters max, so without any hindrance and kind of thing, which is pretty good enough. So beyond 10 meters the receiver may not actually receive the signal. It might be interrupted in between, but sometimes it may not work. So let's go ahead, pick up the sensor and plug it into the D3 port. I am using D3 port. That's what I like it. You might use D4, D5, whatever the digital pins you want, digital port you want. So this is how the sensor looks, guys, right? So this is your infrared transmitter. Okay, it's like a small LED, blue color LED, which comes with an inbuilt circuit. The module comes with an inbuilt circuit here. There are a couple of other components as well. The entire module, this is what it is. It's also written infrared emitter, right? If you take a close look and connect this port to connect the sensor to D3 port, you can see it here, D3. All right, once you are connected, now it's time to grab some libraries. So let me go to my GitHub. So if you go to my GitHub, go to Arduino sensor libraries section. Okay, libraries, go to the bottom and download this library, Seed Arduino IR master, infrared master. So this includes not just the infrared transmitter but also for infrared receiver. So both the libraries are built in. So go ahead and download this zip. Make sure it is placed inside your Arduino library folder where you install your Arduino, right? Where you install your Arduino IDE at the beginning of the series. So make sure you install in the exact same library or else your system may not work. Alright, so once you are done, then go to the codes. Okay, this is your lesson 22 IR emitter. Oops, there's a spelling mistake. It's supposed to be EMITTER. I put it as emoter in GitHub. Anyways, so how do you go to the code? Go to Arduino sensor projects here, scroll down, lesson 22 IR emitter. Emoter, not emoter, it's emitter. All right, then it's about what, 35 lines of code. It's it's not that complex, but because of the explanation and all those things for the code, you may read through this explanation for each line. It's pretty good to understand. And yeah, so go to raw. Okay, then control A, control C, go to your Arduino IDE. This is the code. You need to paste it here. Okay, once you paste it, all you need to do, go to tools, go to Arduino, go to board, go to Arduino AVR boards, go to UNO. All right, and then again go to tools, go to port COM6. Mine is COM6, yours might be different. Now the moment of truth, let's go ahead and click the serial monitor. What's happening? There's nothing is, oh, okay, every time you press a key in a serial monitor we will send the signal. Okay, so let me say coding scientist, send signal. Fantastic, there you go, there you go. Can you see it, guys? Send signal. So the IR transmitter is sending the signal. Now we need to build a receiver circuit in the same way using the receiver sensor, right? And that's where you can, from one computer another computer in two different rooms within the range of about 10-12 meters, you can communicate, right? So it's really fantastic, guys. So you can imagine, there are ton loads of applications you can build using these two sensors as a pair. Only caveat is you need two different Arduino boards. So can't help that. That's how the system has been designed, and that's how it's supposed to work. All right, guys. See you soon. Goodbye.